Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and I'm back with another video. And today we're doing my Boxycharm April 2020 box. Now it's been a while since I've done one of these. Obviously, I haven't done one of these since I think November. But I'm getting back into them right now. I was busy with work, so that's why I didn't upload for a while. But I'm back, I'm here. Let's get into this. Now this month's theme is Festival Vibes, and it has a misguided coupon code on the back of it for this one, as well as a makeup eraser coupon code card. Now I'm not gonna look in this just yet because it will tell me all about what's in there. But let's see what we have first. We have a bunch of these face masks right here. This one from Tony Moly. This one is the Calming I'm Hemp mask sheet. The Illuminating I'm Lotus mask sheet. And the Purifying I'm Cactus mask sheet. That's actually really nice. Probably end up using one tonight even. Then we have the Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Cleansing Foam, which is fairly interesting, I'd say. I might use this tomorrow. It says this luxurious foaming cleanser combines the hydrating and comforting properties of Sika and vegan kefir with fermented rice water to gently cleanse away dirt and grime for a calm, fresh complexion. I'm definitely using this tomorrow. And we have the Porefessional primer, and this is I believe this is a full size. It's the full size. Now, I have used this primer before. I really loved it, but I only have the small size, so I'm actually really happy to have the full version of the Porefessional in my box this month. Then we have this lavish brush set and it comes with a tapered blending brush. It's a pink one. A fine line brush, this yellow one, this one's called a pencil brush, the orange one is. The blue one, I believe, is it's an eye shading brush. The blue one is really nice, they're soft. And the last one, the green one, is the brow grooming brush. It has the side for your creams and a spoolie on the end. And the last item is what I'm most excited for, which is, because I heard about this being in the box this month, is the iconic Elune Airdrops. And I got mine in the original, but this is so nice. Really cool. I've been wanting these for years, actually. Well, since I first heard of them, really. But I'm really happy to have those. And that's all for this month's Boxycharm. Wait! Prices! The Porefessional primer was $32. The Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Cleansing Foam was also $32. The iconic London Illume Airdrops were $41. The lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection was $29, and the Tony Moly I'm Real sheet masks were $9. So that brings us to well over the value of what I paid. Well over, because it's only about $25 a month for the base box. But I currently have the Luxe subscription, which you pay twice as much every 3 months. So that's all for the box. And I was wondering if any of you guys will be interested in a makeup collection tour, actually, because I really want to do that video. So I'm wondering what your guys' opinions would be about it. Please comment down below, like, subscribe, and don't forget to come back on Friday for my next video. Love you guys. Bye!